All right, good morning, guys. So we're looking for opportunities on the US30 at 9:30. See, it's just 9:30, so we're gonna start to see some movement with the NAS. As you can see, this candle was 9:30, 9:25. So this is 9:30 candle. So we are looking to probably get a sell from here, or if not, we probably take back a buy from this level right here when it get retested back to the upside. So let's watch how this is gonna play out real quick. So definitely seeing some volume. So what I want to do, we want to wait until then I miss all this trade right here, guys. I miss all this. I could have taken this trade and I freaking miss it. I would have been off the chart by now. Anyhow, so let's see if we can get a sell from this level. Hopefully. But we are above the deal, and then there's no news. There's no news. So let's watch and see, guys. So I mostly trade US30 on the NAS. No, I don't really trade NAS, but I enter on the 30. So we're pushing up, watching this. I need to get a pullback right here to get the buy back to this side. I don't think I'm gonna hold this trade long this morning though. Let's see, yeah, still up. So we're above the EMA. And this is a 5 minutes time frame. You see the US30 giving us a little pullback to continue up. So we want the 9:35 candle to close. Damn, I could have, yo, I can't believe, yo, I could have entered this trade right here and I didn't take it. So let's see how price is gonna react at this level. So we still with the 9:30 candle. So I want this candle to close. So definitely no US30 gonna get to this point right here. So we're trading, guys. It's patience. You have to wait. You have to wait. You have to wait. So now we're above the daily high that we created yesterday. You can see right here. Price close out with a probably like a morning starish doji's candle. I went back above this level. So I want to get some pullback though. If we could get back this level respected right here, or maybe this level, then we can get buying opportunity. I would love to respect this level right here. If we can get back price to come back right on this level, yep, or even break it and come back right here, or even this level right here, then we would go for the buy. So we're not looking for sells, guys. Okay, so see, all right, so see we get a break right here. See, we did get a break right here, which I'd expected price to react from here with a push. So we need this push. If we can get NAS to push back to this level, which will be our retest to confirm the price is going up, then we can get an entry right here, or maybe right here. So let's watch and see. Because this is a strong level. I think we created this level. This is London Eye. Yeah, I think this was London Eye. So still waiting patiently, not rushing, not tracing price. Okay, so now we see where the US30 came back down, and see, it respected this level right here, which looks good. Now I want to see how it's gonna react to this level before we go for entry. I want to see how it's gonna react to this level right here. So we get a pullback right here, that's one. So if we can get another touch of this level, it will make it more valid. It's good to get two touch. So we could go for a buy. We could go for a buy right here. This would be the best place to go for a buy. Right on this level right here. Which probably take us like by 10 o'clock there about. And this would be a 20% risk. 20% risk. So I'll go for a 2 to 1, which should take us to 40%. Or we can come up for here. We can come up for this level, which is 45%. So that 5% could pay commission and stuff. Let's see what the NAS doing. Alright, so see the NAS giving us a pushback also. So we'd look for the NAS to come back and retest this right here, because this was a good breakout from the previous daily high. So if we can get NAS to retest this level, give us some weakness right here, then we could go for the buy. So like I said, guys, we're looking for buys. We don't care how strong the selling opportunity may look. We came in the market for buys only, and that's how people end up getting losses and stuff like that, because they came for one thing and they flunked out, see price getting crazy, and then they do the opposite. So yeah, we're waiting for the buy definitely. So we need to get back this level retested. If we can get back this level retested, then we should be good. And this is what we do every day, guys. This is what we do every day. Every single day we do the same thing over and over. Repetition. Alright, so I will definitely give you guys definitely give you guys an update on this trade. Going for US30. Hopefully we can make 1,000 out today. We're aiming for 1,000. But if we get 700, we'll take it. But the aim for the day is $1,000. Alright, so this is about Scribble, and I'll update you in the trade. I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll definitely update you guys back when I'm in it. Alright guys, welcome back again. So quick update, guys. Now if you notice the on the NAS, because like I said, we use the NAS to trail the US30. Now if you notice at 9:30 we did get some push to the upside. You know, a lot. This was a lot of volume. I think it was like 70-something% if my memory serves right. Now we're creating some weakness right here. So what is taking place right here, guys? We're having a tug and war between the sellers and the buyers, and we also have persons who been with a buy order from here, probably putting in back orders right at this level to hope for a swing to this weaker level right here. So it's a possibility. We have to just watch and see. Now most of them probably flunked out, so that's what we're waiting on the buyers to get flunked out. Like, you know what, price not passing the 1900, which is a strong round psychological level in a daily time frame. Now that's the alert just went off, so we got the alert, so we push above that level. So this could be a valid higher high. Now what I think is taking place, I feel like what's taking place here is the buyers that we lured in right here, they're gonna get stamped out somewhere above this level. Cause yeah, the buyers, the sellers, yeah, cause we had some sellers right here probably thinking that price is gonna start going down, but I don't take those sales because we as retail traders, we cannot move the market, so we go with the market flow, you know. So I wouldn't be crazy enough to take a sell right here. That's way too much risk. So we have more buying order came in right here, and that's why the market keep pushing to the upside. So we probably come here before we get a break. See, still going up. So I missed out on this good opportunity, guys, but you know, it's a part of trading. Some days it's gonna be missed opportunity, some day gonna be good. Last week I had a good week, so I guess it's my week now to you know, to give somebody else a chance. So I won't be surprised if we, let me see, if we come to this level and and get a pullback, because this was the last high since last week Wednesday. Yeah. So yeah. So I probably don't take no trade today. Market not working in my favor, so I probably don't take any trade today. I'll probably wait it out until like 12 o'clock. Get some weakness from the buyers. Then the sellers probably take us back down to this level. Right where we have the EMA. Once we broke here, retest it, we get a pullback. So I'm gonna wait for the pullback, guys, to get back up buy. Now, like I said, let's go back to the NAS and look at it. Like I said earlier, we broke above the 1900, which is a strong level, and persons who put sell order in thinking that price is gonna tank down, they probably just got stamped out. And I feel like that's exactly what took place. So you probably can go for a sell now, because this was a quick fake out to stamp out the persons who put order in for sell right here. I think they entered too quick. So what I need to see is closure below this level before I take a sell, because I can't take a sell. I'm not gonna go too heavy with the lot size. But yeah, let's see where this can gonna close. We have like 38 seconds on this candle, so let's see where it's gonna close. But yeah, I think that's gonna make a correction right now. So let's see where this candle gonna close. See, so this person got stamped out. So yeah, I think I can go for a sell on NAS now. Go for it on US30. I'll put a sell in on US30, guys. Let's see what US30 doing. Okay, good. Alright, new candle. Put a sell in on US30. Sell. Alright, so I just execute a sell on US30. I didn't want to take a sell, so this trade is going to be a risky trade. But risk is what we do. So I never really came in the market for a sell, but I'm taking a chance. I think I executed right here. So I put my stop loss right there. So 17%. Cause see, we got a fake out. Let me see what the NAS doing. Yeah, see, so the NAS, like I said, fake out and stamp out the persons who put in the sell too quick. So I just executed my sell. So I know we're gonna get back a break to the downside. I'm definitely sure of that. Definitely sure of that, guys. So let me see. I should be in drawdown now. I'm in drawdown of $200 something. Alright. Let me take this shit off. I don't like trading with this thing on the chart. Alright, so let's watch how this trade gonna play out. I'm gonna risk probably like 500 on this trade. This crazy trade I just took. It's a counter trend trade, guys. Yeah. Feeling a little ballsy this morning. But it's not really ballsy, but when you watch this and you understand it, and you know how price move, because I'm telling you, this candle that is just see spike right here, stamp out a lot of persons who take the sell too early. But you can definitely see where we have weakness right here, guys. We can all see where we have weakness right here. See? This is our weakness. Shows that the buyer's getting out of the market and the seller's gonna stay control. So this was a tug on war right here. See? And then we just get this sudden spike, bam. That take out a lot of the premature sellers. And I just took my entry and see I'm up at $266. So we're gonna break here. I think I did a 50 lot, yeah. So we're gonna, once I break this, then I can hold it back to this level. That's one, that's US. Oh, that's nice. Let me see what US30 doing. Alright, so there we go. So US30 pushing down. And that's what you have to wait on, guys. You have to wait on that flunk out right there. I could have sold NAS too. There we go, see? Alright, so still pushing. So we definitely know we're gonna come back to right. I'll probably take profit right here. But let's see how far this is gonna take us. I'm up 200 and what I'm in profit, as you guys can see right here. I could have taken the NAS trade also, but I don't really mess with NAS. NAS is just my guide. So yeah. But the fact that we come below this, so what all I need, guys, is a closure below this level right here. Once I get a closure below here, I'm good. I'm up $346. Let me just go on Anchor X so you guys can see that I'm not capping. So, oh shit, all right. I'm not getting that. Oh, why am I not getting Anchor X, man? I don't know what's going on, guys. Okay, there we go. So see, so this is my Anchor X account. As you can see, I'm up $560 something. So yeah, my closes are probably, I'm gonna take like probably $1,000 off this trade today. So let's watch as we pull back. Let me see where the NAS going. Alright, so NAS hit the EMA. So once I hit here on the NAS, I'm gonna close US30. And this is a big, this is a huge push. This look good. Up $600. Alright, now we broke the EMA. I'm up 700. I'm gonna take 1,000 off this. Yeah, guys, the market always pays the patient person. I'll take 1,000 off this trade, nice and easy. Come on, keep going. I'm up $986. So once the NAS hit this level right here, I'm gonna close the trade. Once I hit this right here, I'm gonna close it. Yeah, once I hit this level right here, I'm gonna close the trade out. So I'm up $826. Let's see where the US30 at. Okay, good. Alright. So yeah. I know we're gonna hit right here, guys. So let's wait. Just be patient. Once I hit this bell, then I'm out. And this is what I do every day, guys. Just be patient. Just be patient. You don't have to rush it. So we did bread AMA. I know we're gonna touch about this level. We have to touch about this level. I'm up at 666. So what's happening now? The sellers now gonna start rushing in. So we still have buyers in the market. So the sellers gonna see the price going on. So you know what? They're gonna close the order and just happy with the sellers, and it's gonna cost price to push down more. I know we're gonna touch about this level right here for sure. So that's why I'm waiting to close out this trade. Yeah, once we touch about this level, and we probably could retest this to continue back to the downside. So we got what, 2 more minutes on this candle right here. 2 more minutes on the candle. Let's see what the NAS doing. So I need NAS to come back. We need NAS to come right here, guys. Then we can close this trade. Hey guys, this is what we do all day. So I'm gonna pause it again, and then I don't want the video to be too long, and then I'll get you guys updated. Alright, so back again guys. So if you notice, we keep going down, we have 5 more seconds on this candle. And like I said, we need to hit here so I can close. Alright? Close above the EMA. But there's no way price is gonna come here and don't come back. It have to come back here. You see they're gonna come back here or break past it. So see we're coming down again. Coming down again. Coming down again. And like I said, I probably can make 1,000 off this trade. Come on, keep pushing. Still got buyers in the market fighting. Fighting a tug and war. But with the size of this candle, you can see where the volume of sellers. See the size? So you don't need to worry. Because this shows that there's a lot of sellers coming in the market. We'll probably come back to this level, but I'm not going to be greedy. I'm going to take it off right here. Yeah, once I hit right here, I'm going to close this. Up 700 and something dollars, guys. I count over 6,000 right now. Come on. The market always take from the impatient and pay the patient. Come on, push, 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 push. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, I'll soon close this trade. I'm gonna stake $700. 706, 726. There we go. Come on. 800. Come on. Damn. Come on. Two more minutes on this candle. Come on, come on, come on. Damn, the buyer's still fighting, guys. So we got 30 something more seconds on this candle. All right, close. So I took $600. Yeah, close it at 600. All right, so level on the right. All right, so close it at 600, guys. See right here, close position. Close it at $606 for the day. Yeah, so that's what I do every day, guys. Just make money sitting down looking crazy. So I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.